All of you, do the prayer. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Fold your hand and say, "Oh God, help us to be good, to do to others as we should, not to hate, but to love. Send us peace from above." Okay, do the prayer properly and we will do GK. We will do GK. আমরা GK করব। Okay. So now everyone take out your GK book. Take out your GK book. Take out your GK book and open page 16. This one. Okay. Take out your GK book and open page 16. Open page 16. As I don't have the soft copy of your GK book, as the GK book is not part of the Astros and book series, so you have to do it by yourself. Okay, just take out your GK book. GK book to open karo. Page 17. Open your GK book, page 17. Okay, those who join late, don't worry, just take out your GK book and open page 16. Chapter name is Young Ones. Chapter name is Young Ones. Ready, all of you? Okay. Show me your book. Show me your book. Is it with you? Just show me your book. Show me your book. Is it with you? Okay, good. Gurpreet. Vidipta. Okay. Sahil. Swarnadeep. Swarnadeep. Adhrito. Arunangshu. Okay, chalo. So let's start. Young one means baby of an animal. Young one means not baby of an animal. Young one means junior one. Okay, but in this chapter, young one means we are going to learn about the name of babies of animals. One, what is the young one of a sheep called? So SA1 এর GK exam এ কিন্তু অনেক রকমের question থাকবে. You can see lots of chapters are there. And listen to me, in this coming practice test 4, there will be 3 subjects. Okay, mathematics, GK and Hindi. In this coming practice 4, এই coming practice 4 এ কিন্তু math থাকবে. As usual, math to thaki, math, GK and Hindi. So math, GK, Hindi, these 3 subjects will be there. Understand? Saturday practice test math, GK and Hindi thakbe. So GK je chapter ta porano hoyeche some more animals. Some more animals. So question will be there from some more animals. Some more animals ei chapter ta theki proshno thakbe. যে প্রশ্নগুলো বইতে আছে সেই প্রশ্নগুলোই ভালো করে পড়বে, এগুলোই থাকবে। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? আচ্ছা, ইয়েস উমি।
ম্যাম নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম হচ্ছে।
কার নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম হচ্ছে? তুমি শুনতে পাচ্ছ না?
না।
তুমি শুনতে না পেলে আমার কথার উত্তর দিচ্ছ কি করে? এটা কি ক্লাস হচ্ছে?
এখন শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
ওকে, বৃষ্টির ওয়েদার তো নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম হতেই পারে, কিছু করার নেই। আমি ক্লাসটা রেকর্ড করছি। ওকে, তুমি যদি ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে যাও আমি রেকর্ডিংটা আপলোড করে দেবো। ওকে
ওকে ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা, টেক আউট ইউর জিকে বুক। ডু ফাস্ট, পড়িয়ে দি তাড়াতাড়ি করে। ইয়েস স্বর্ণদীপ।
ম্যাম
ইয়েস
আপনি কি করেছিলেন?
হোয়াট?
ম্যাম আপনি কি করিয়েছিলেন?
জিকে বুক, ওপেন ইউর জিকে বুক, পেজ 16। জিকে বুক পেজ 16। ওকে, আচ্ছা এবার শোনো ভালো করে। What is the young one of a sheep called? Young one mean baby of a sheep is called lamb. Baby of a sheep is called lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. What is the young one of a dog called? The young one of a dog is called a puppy. What is the young one of a horse called? The young one of a horse is called a foal. F-O-A-L, foal. What is the young one of a cow called? The young one of a cow is called a calf. C-A-L-F, calf. What is the young one of a lion called? The young one of a lion is called cub. C-U-B. Look at your own book and follow with me. What is the young one of a duck called? The young one of a duck is called duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. What is the young one of a hen called? The young one of a hen is called chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. And what is the young one of a cat called? The young one of a cat is called kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Okay? Acha. I'm unmuting you all and will take. আমি যার নাম বলবো সেই পড়বে। Okay? Akanksha, tell me. Unmute your device. Akanksha, tell me.
Hold.
What is the young one of a sheep called?
Lamb. Lamb.
Lamb. Okay. Very good.
Puppy.
Okay. আচ্ছা পড়ো, নিজে থেকে পড়ো এবার। আচ্ছা লগ্নজিৎ, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Lognojita, tell me, what is the young one of a dog called?
The one. What is the young of a dog?
Arunanshu, say properly.
Of a dog is called a puppy.
Puppy. Yes. Just tell me in one word, okay? One word. Acha, Aradhya, unmute your device.
Baby horse ke ki bola hoy?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Aradhya, tell me, what is the young one of a horse called?
Foal.
Foal. Okay. Very good. Acha. Mosam, unmute your device. Takrim, say properly. Mosam, tell me, what is the young one of a cow called?
The young one of a cow is called a foal. Cow.
Calf.
The young one of a
C-A-L-F.
cow is
Yes.
called a cow.
Okay, very good. Arijit, unmute your device. Arijit.
Baby duck ke ki bola hoy? Duckling. Baby duck ke ki bola hoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Duckling.
Acha. Arijit, tell me, what is the young one of a lion called?
Dog মানে হাঁস।
Cup. Yes, very good. আচ্ছা, Shoptik, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
আচ্ছা, Shoptik, tell me, what is the young one of a duck called?
Duckling.
Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Devadrito. Acha, Devadrito, tell me, what is the young one of a hen called?
Chick. Puppy.
Yes, chick. Acha, Shubhangan, unmute your device. Shubhangan, tell me, what is the young one of a cat called? Young one of a cat called. Say, what is the young one of a cat called? Kitten. Yes, very good. Acha. Priyanto, tell me. Priyanto.
Young balloon.
Priyanto. Acha. Priyanto, first tell me, what is the young one of a sheep is called? Young one of a sheep.
শুনতে পাবো ম্যাম বলছে শিপের ইয়ং ওয়ানকে
কি বলে বলো?
Lamb.
Yes, very good. Acha. Now, Piyash, tell me, what is the Acha, Takri Modrito wait. Acha, Piyash, tell me, what is the young one of a duck is called?
ডাকের ইয়ং ওয়ান কি বলে বলো
Duckling.
ডাকলিং
Duckling, very good. Acha. Adrito Paja, wait. Okay. Acha, Adrito, unmute your device. Acha. Adrito, tell me, what is the young one? What is the young one of a lion is called? What is the young one of a lion? Say again. Yes, very good. Okay. Acha, Gurpreet, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Takri Moit, I'm asking you. Acha. What, Gurpreet, tell me, what is the young one of a horse is called? Yes, very good. Acha. Marzuk, unmute your device. Marzuk, unmute your device. Yes, good morning. You are so far from your device, so I can't hear you. Come closer to your device. Your voice is not at all audible to me. Not at all audible. Okay. Achha. What is the young one of a cow is called? What is the young one of a cow is called? Look at your book. Yes, look at your book. Okay, read this. Read all of this. Okay, very good. Acha, Swarnadeep, unmute your device. Swarnodip.
Lamp.
Swarnodip, tell me.
Lamp.
Yes.
Lamp. Puppy.
1 minute. Let me ask you. আমি আগে জিজ্ঞেস করি সেটা বলো, okay? What is the young one of a dog is called?
Puppy.
Yes, puppy. Very good. Very good. Acha. Now, Bidipta. Bidipta, unmute your device. And other student, why are you sitting quietly? Read the chapter. Keeping yourself mute and read the chapter. Mute korai thak তোমরা পড়ো. Why? Akanksha, Arunangshu, Mosam, Shubhangan পড়ো. আচ্ছা, Bidipta, can you hear me? Bidipta, can you hear me? Bidipta, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Bidipta, tell me. Mute your device, all of you. Acha, Bidipta, tell me. What is the young one of... You are having too much network problem. What I can do? I have nothing to do. Can you hear me? Then tell me that what is the young one of a lion is called?
Lion.
Young one of a lion is called. Young one of a lion is called. Say. Young one of a lion is called. Cub. Yes. Cub. Yes, very good, Arunangshu. Okay. Pamelina, unmute your device. Arjosha, wait, I'm asking you. Arunangshu, mute your device. Okay, very good. Now mute your device. Pamelina?
Yes, ma'am. Good
Good morning. Acha, Arijit Kole, where are you? What is the young one of a cat called? Adrito Paja, I said read out the chapter. Aradhya.
Kitten.
Oh,
Y-O-U-N-G.
yes.
Yes.
Very good.
Very good. O is up.
Okay, good. Acha, Sahir, unmute your device. Sahir. Very good, Pamelina. Sahir,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Sahir, tell me, what is the young one of a horse is called? Say.
Passport.
Look at the screen, look at your book and tell me. Look at your book and tell me what is the young one of a horse is called?
ভালো করে বলো,
Say again.
যেটা বললে বলবে তো।
Speak loudly. Always try to speak
জোরে বলো।
loudly and clearly.
Fall.
Foal. F-O-A-L. Foal. Okay. Acha, Ummi, tell me. Ummi, unmute your device.
Fall.
Acha. Very good, Sahir. Ummi, tell me, what is the young one of a duck is called? Duck.
Darking.
Duckling. Ducking, no. Duckling. Duckling.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Sahir. Duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling. Say again, Ummi. Acha. Adrit Singh, unmute your device.
Yes,
আচ্ছা,
Yes, ma'am.
Duckling.
what is the young one of a hen is called? What is the young one of a hen is called? Chick. Chick. Very good. আচ্ছা, Arjosha, unmute your device. Takrim, I said, just read the chapter. And what you are doing, see? Read the chapter. See direct and read the chapter. Read this 8 question properly. All of you, read this 8 question 2 times. Read it loudly. Why you don't want to read? This is why you cannot speak fluently, and this is why you don't want to pronounce a word loudly. You need more and more practice. I will take one class, and that day I will give you as classwork reading. 1.5 hours, you just have to read one chapter. That will be a classwork. You don't want to read a chapter. Why? Reading is very important as well as writing. If you don't want to read anything, how you will pronounce a word? Read loudly so that your ear can hear your own words. Understand? এত জোরে পড়বে যাতে নিজের কানই নিজের ওয়ার্ডটা শুনতে পায়। আর আমাদের কান যদি আমাদের কথা না শুনতে পায়, সে মনে রাখবে কি করে? তুমি ধরো কিছু বলছো, তুমি কাউকে কোনো কথা বলছো, সে যদি শুনতে না পায়, সে কথাটা কি রিপ্লাই দেয়? দেয় না। So just like our brain, if you want to put something into your brain, you have to speak your ear can hear your own word. After that, our brain can store that. মাথাকে শোনাতে হয় কিভাবে? মুখে বলবো, কান শুনবে, তারপর ব্রেন পুট করে নেবে। This is the procedure. তো যারা যারা বাড়িতে জোরে জোরে চিৎকার করে পড়ে না, তাদের কিন্তু আমি আর ক্লাসেই অ্যালাউ করবো না। আমি প্যারেন্টসদের জিজ্ঞেস করবো। ওকে? আচ্ছা, Arjosha, tell me. Sahir, read the chapter. Arjosha. Acha, Takrim, unmute your device. Takrim, unmute your device. Can you hear me? শুনতে পাচ্ছো তাকরিম?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Takrim, tell me, what is a baby of a sheep? What is the baby of a sheep is called? What? I lamb, no. That is lamb. I lamb, no. Lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. Say again. Acha. Piyash Mondol, unmute your device. Piyash.
Ma'am,
Yes, Aradhya.
I go to toilet.
Okay, go. Acha, Gurpreet, this is very bad habit. Each and every day in the class you cry. Why, Gurpreet? Don't do this. Don't do this. It's a very bad habit also. Don't do it for any reason. Don't cry in the class timing. Don't cry. Okay, just be attentive and concentrate what your teacher is saying. Okay. Acha. Piyash Mondol, can you hear me, Piyash? Piyash?